Hi, I'm Marie. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some joy. The Lacy cookie is such a wonderful dessert. It's nice, light, crisp. It's such an easy cookie to make, and I'm going to show you a few steps that will really help you to perfect these cookies and have these beautiful Lacy cookies for your next holiday party.
So this is a Mrs. Fields cookbook, and we're going to be making her Lacy oatmeal cookies. These are so easy. We're going to need oatmeal, and we will also need flour, salt, and baking powder, as well as we're going to need sugar, 1 egg, and there's vanilla in there too as well, and we'll need a stick of butter. So we're going to start off by adding our dry ingredients. We have 1 cup quick oats. Then we have a ½ teaspoon salt and 1½ teaspoons baking powder. And last we'll add 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. And we just want to mix these till these are just combined. So in another bowl, we're going to put in our wet ingredients, starting with 1 stick of melted butter. And we're going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. And I basically want to mix this till it really looks like sand. So once that butter has cooled and we've got it mixed, we're going to go ahead and add an egg and our vanilla to the mixture. I just want to mix it up really good so that there are no egg streaks in it. Just want it really well combined. So we want to take our dry ingredients, add that to our wet ingredients. And I'm just going to use a spatula. Basically, I just want to fold all of this together until this is just combined. And it should look like this when it's combined. So the secret to Lacy cookies is parchment paper. This helps these cookies release easily, and it helps them brown beautifully. So now we have our parchment set up. We want to make sure that we measure these cookies out for about 1 teaspoon each. And we want to make sure that we give them plenty of room because they will spread. So you need to give them at least 2 inches, if not a little bit more. That will give them plenty of room to spread. So we've got about 9 cookies that fit on our parchment paper. We've got our oven going at 325, and we will cook these for about 9 minutes. So taking a look at these cookies, they did spread, and we may give about 9 to 12 minutes. These look perfect and great. Have a nice little brown edging. That's what we're looking for, just a little bit of golden brown. We're going to let them sit and just cool on this tray for about 5 minutes. So now once they've cooled, as you can see, they're going to come off. They just come off just like this. They just pop right off when they are completely cool enough. They don't break, and they just pull right off. So it's just the technique that works. Using parchment, giving your cookies time to cool, and you will have the perfect Lacy cookie. So give this a try for Christmas or any kind of holiday occasion. They're sweet, beautiful, delectable. Your family will enjoy them. Have some joy. Make some joy today. Enjoy your life. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more videos like these to give you some joy, please click on the subscribe and the bell to receive notification of my newest videos. Thank you.